Hi everyone, I'd like to give a few instructions for starting off with the lessons in Cengage. So the first one, lesson 32, memos and email keying drills. Go ahead and open that. And what you'll do whenever you see key this line at a comfortable pace and tap enter when you're finished, just do it in slow motion. Take your time. At the end of typing it comfortably at a slower pace, press enter, and you repeat the same thing again, but this time you want it at a faster pace. Otherwise, you're going to have to keep repeating it. So type your first one slowly when you have to type it again at a faster pace. Complete the rest of those tasks within that lesson, and then you'll go on to lesson 32, memos and email word drills. And here you'll see how many tasks. There are 4 tasks, and you're working in a simulated Word document. And what you want to do here are your instructions, is you want to display what's called the vertical page position. So you're in a simulated Word document, and in order to type anything in here, there is no flashing cursor in here. So what you have to do with your mouse is either click somewhere in here, or if you hold Control and press the function key F9, it'll put the cursor in here. Then you have your cursor. So to display the vertical page position, down at the bottom where it's you have page 1 of 1, and then you have read mode and print layout mode and your zoom, that's called the status bar. If you right click on the status bar, there you can see that page number is already there, spelling and grammar and shortcuts. So we're going to check vertical page position. So now it has a check. And then click to leave this area, and you'll notice down at the bottom it says at 1.1. So that's the vertical position. So now it automatically jumped to task 2, and you can see that it's still there. It's at 1 inch, but again, your flashing cursor is not in the screen. So Control F9 gets you in there. They want you to press enter 3 times. And then you'll notice it's at position 1.9, and then you'll start to type October, and then whenever you're typing the months of the year that are more than 3 letters or 4 letters, it'll have that autocomplete, and you can press enter or tab and then finish with the space bar and press enter. Then you click check your work, and if there's any errors, it would tell you here and you would fix them. Then continue. Again, we're on to a new task, task 3, and again, the cursor is not showing, so you need to do Control F9 or just click in there. They want you to press Control N to make sure that you're at the end of the document, which is just directly under the date, and you're going to type in what they have for a date and a time. And again, press enter and then check your work. No errors, and continue. And you're done. The last section for lesson 32 is memos and email apply it word drills. So when you open this one, again, you have the tasks. There are 4 tasks. And if you wanted to see how many tasks and what they entail, you can click your taskbar and then to close it, and as you complete tasks you'll get a green check mark as they're completed. So this one's a little bit longer. Again, you want to get into the simulated document, so it's Control F9 so that you get into the document, and then what you'll do is you'll press enter 3 times. And you're going to key everything that you see here. So for example, TO colon, and it's the arrow means tab twice. And then the enter symbol, and again from, and tab twice. And continue that way. Now after you type the subject, certification, and press enter, you're going to type what you see here. But don't end your line. Don't press enter. Let Word do the word wrap. So your lines will be much longer. You do not have to have it fall like this. Yours will be, you'll be able to fit much more across the line. Let it do the word wrap. So the only time you'll actually press enter is right here after seminar. And then you'll have to use your scroll bar to see more. And you'll complete that. You can proofread it and then click check your work, and it'll take you on to the next task. So these are a little bit lengthier because you have to type more. So let's say you finish all of this and you have it check your work and you're ready to go on task 2. I'm just going to jump to task 2. If you're, this one's not bad because they just want you to fix a correction, so let me show you that one. So over here at the letter reference, the J is capitalized and it really shouldn't be. So if you hover over it, you get this little autocorrect options, and when you click this, you're going to choose undo the automatic capitalization. And it takes you right. So it took out that capital J and put it lowercase. So here you are, you're in this document, Control F9, and you'll press enter 3 times, and then you'll type what you see here. Now, if you don't have time to complete this, if you were to get halfway through and then click X out, what will happen is it'll remember the first 2 tasks, but it won't remember this half that you typed. So what I would do is don't even start it if you don't have time. Mine's not going to be accurate because I didn't finish the first one, but you would have 2 check marks and it would take you back to this one the next time you come back in. So these are a little bit longer, so if you're looking at your time and you're not going to finish it all, then don't even start it. So you don't want to click submit. Just X out, and when you come back to this one, 32 memos and email, you'll already have your first 2 green checks complete and you'll continue where you left off. So I just want to save you time. If you went halfway and stopped and exit, it won't remember. So either finish it or don't even bother starting it until later. I hope these directions help. If you have any questions, please email me. Thank you.